What's up YouTube? ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, good morning and welcome to another vlog. So it's a brand new day, it's Sunday and it's riding day. So the destination for today is a place called Naguru. Now it's somewhere near Baindur. By looking at this tank bag, don't think that we are going on a long ride. It's just a small ride. I just wanted to carry something, so I put it here. So it's just 60 kilometers from here. Even then we are leaving early because it's very difficult to ride in this road, especially once the sun is up. This NH66 because of this humidity and high temperature. So we need to break few rules here. I'll be going in one way, so can't do anything. It's a small town, so no problem. Most of the people do that. If you go to the other side, you need to travel for at least 1.5 kilometers for a U-turn. So iವಾಗ just sunrise ಆಗಿದೆ. The weather is very calm. It's very cold actually. As you can see, I'm not wearing a riding jacket, so only gloves. But yeah, because of the humidity, ಅಷ್ಟೇನು cold ಅನ್ಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. The sun is completely up now. So this road to my right here, this arch you can see. If you go inside, it goes directly to that very famous temple called Anegudde Ganesha temple. It's very beautiful, very big temple also. And if you are from this part of Karnataka, you might be knowing. It's very famous actually. Flyover they are constructing from past I don't know how many years, so ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಆಯ್ತು, they have not completed it. So this one and there is one flyover in Kundapur, Shastri Circle. So these two flyovers they have not completed at all. Very famous college to my left, Bandarkars College. Actually even my dad and all studied here. I don't know why they don't repair this road, man. It's been like this since I don't know how long. So this NH66 it continues to Baindur, Honnavara, Bhatkala, Kumta, Ankola, Karwar, then it reaches Goa and then goes to Mumbai. That's why so much traffic in this road. Now just now we passed a junction. It's called as Kallur junction. I forgot to switch on the camera. Actually if you go right there, it goes to a very famous temple called Siddhivinayaka Hattiyangadi temple. So actually they have a residential school also, ICSE. So that is where I studied from 7th to 10th. I wanted to show you guys, but unfortunately my camera was off. By the time I switched it on, I had already passed. So anyways, look at the road, man. You don't get to see this kind of weather in Bangalore. It's so awesome. Beautiful. The road is filled with coconut trees. Now this junction here, so it's called Hemmadi junction. So if you go right, it goes to Kollur Mukamika temple. So obviously you must have heard about that. Very famous temple. Oh, holy shit, man. Actually this road NH66 is right beside Arabian Sea. We are completely going parallel to the Arabian Sea actually, but because of these trees it's not visible. In Marwante it's visible properly. Actually it's a very beautiful spot, Marwante. It's a world famous spot actually. On one side it's Arabian Sea, on the other side it's backwaters. It's too good. Yeah, we are almost nearing the Marwante. As you can see, the beach is starting from there. Wow, beautiful. So this is the starting point of Marwante. This stretch goes for around 2 kilometers I think. We need to find a good place to stop, take some pictures. Since it's early morning, it's very calm. You can see all these lorry drivers stopped here. They'll spend the night here and then in the morning they'll go. ಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ಗೆ ನದಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ನಿಲ್ಸಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಗ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕಷ್ಟೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಯಾ, ಸೊ ಆಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಈಸ್ Arabian Sea. Now I will cross the road and I will show you the river. I need to be very careful while crossing the road. So many vehicles in this road, man.
One eternity later.
So this is the river, this side. Crazy, right? As you can see, the sun is already up. Wow, simply too great, man. There is one more road over there. I have seen many people doing boating here, but now they are not there, maybe because it's early in the morning. It's somewhere between 7:30 to 8 o'clock. So now the plan is we'll take some good pictures and then we'll leave, we'll proceed. From here it's just from 10 to 15 minutes journey, maybe 20 kilometers max remaining. There is a photo shoot going on over there. So this stretch is very beautiful in the evening. Actually, you need to come for sunset. So this is east, this side is west. So sunset sakkadagirutte. You can see so many shops here and so many visitors. They would have parked their vehicle and they'll be enjoying. The view will be too great actually. Yeah, we have almost reached now. So I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. So if you have liked the video, please hit the like button, share the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. This is 390 Degrees signing off.